Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan Simone if you don't know. If you do, hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revive my curls and my wigs. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I revive my curls and my wigs. Now this wig is a loose deep wave, so it's not as kinky or curly or anything like that. So this method isn't really intricate. It's just kind of like very simple, very basic, just the onesie twosie. So yeah, let's get started. But before we start, hold on a second. I do want to put y'all on for a second. Go ahead and check out the link in my bio. I done got put onto a new product by TEAMI Blends. It's a green tea face scrub and a tea infused serum. It works really well. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated and stuff like that. It works really good on my skin, but if anything changes or anything like that, I'll let y'all know, or if I find something better, I'll let y'all know. But go ahead and check that out in the description box. My link is in there, and use my code to get, I don't know how much of a percentage off, but you will get money off, which is good. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is you just want to part your hair in 4 sections. Now if you have a kinkier wig or a curlier wig, you do want to make your sections a little bit more definite. Like, am I saying it right? Like, you just want to make your parts a little bit more, I don't know. Just make sure you know what parts you're working with and what you're not. Like, this is kind of like, I'm not gonna say it's like straight, but it's not as hard to do. Can't get my words out. I'm re-recording this video because my lashes was falling off in the last one. So yeah, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hair. My spray bottle is downstairs and I really don't feel like getting it. So I'm just going to be going to the sink and I'm just going to be wetting it. Now you don't want to wet it so that it looks like you just got a pool type of wet, but like it needs to be wet, like not damp. Like a little bit more wet than damp, but not like soaking wet. You know what I'm saying? I'll just show y'all because I'm really bad at explaining things. So alright guys, so this is how wet I'm talking. Like not dripping down your leg type wet, but like, you know, not dry at the same time. But you want to make sure the product stays on the hair. Now I'm going to get either a actually, I'm gonna get my brush first. Let me stop skipping steps. So I'm gonna get my brush, wherever that is. I'm gonna find it. So I have a Demon brush for my hair, and I'm just going to brush my hair so that all the tangles are out. I don't know if I said it, but make sure your hair is detangled before you start this, so that there's no tangles like stuck up at the roots or anywhere. Oh my god, anywhere throughout the hair. But yeah, you can do that before or after. I mean, you're still detangling at this point too, so it just makes it easier if it's already detangled. But the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my leave-in conditioner from Olive Oil ORS. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. But I'm just gonna take this and get a little dollop on my hands like this for this section, and put it on my fingertips and run it through the hair. At this part, you can use the Demon brush as well because, why can't you use the Demon brush again? Oh yeah, it just detangles everything. But I use my fingers, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go in with the brush. This is usually for kinky, curlier hair. To use a Demon brush, it makes the curls pop more. When you have looser curls, it kind of makes the hair look straight. But once you let it sit and let it dry, the curls do come back. So then after that, you want to just take the hair and start scrunching upward to get the curls to come back. Oh my god. To get the curls to come back, you can diffuse it and like blow dry it, but it makes it a little bit frizzy, but it does go faster. So if you're on a crunch for time, then that's not a bad idea. And with straighter hair, when it's wet, you might look like a plucked chicken, just a little bit, because the hair does look thinner, but it'll be fine. Now I'm just gonna go around the rest of my head and do the same thing, and I will get back to y'all when I'm done. guys, everything is wet, everything is setting. This is the part where you can choose if you want to go in with a diffuser or if you want to just let it air dry. Regardless, it might get a little frizzy if you're moving around a lot or if you use the diffuser. But like I said, these curls aren't too kinky, so it's not going to be like crazy popping tight curls. It's just going to be loose, deep curls, but they're going to be moisturized and they're going to be shiny. So I'm just going to let this dry for about 45 minutes, I want to say, but sometimes it takes longer. It depends on where you're at. But I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done looking like a plucked chicken, and I'm going to show you what the finished product is. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back from letting it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm saying so far. This is pretty much the end product. You can't really see it that well. I may have to take that off, but they are a lot more shiny. As you can see, it might be still a little bit wet, but they are going to be looser because this isn't super curly to start off with anyway. But this is pretty much how I get that sleek look with your curls. I can't tell if y'all can see this or not yet. Maybe that's a little better. You can see it a little bit better that way. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to go check out all the links down below in my bio about this hair and about the new skincare products I told you guys about previously. So yeah, this pretty much sums up this entire video. Let me know what else y'all want to see down below in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.